As usual, beautiful packing. So, ooh, the stamping mat. Lovely. And more blending brushes. I've got quite a few, but the more the better. Someday maybe I'll have one blending brush for each color. And a zipper, Dreaming watercolor zipper pouch. I've got several of their pouches. This is a different size, and this one is not transparent. Ooh, there were 4 blending brushes in there. Oh, 5 blending brushes in there. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, and it's kind of silky on the inside. Nice. Satin sequins. Gold satin sequins. Okay. 12 card bases. This is what I was waiting for. Helibor layering die set. It looks like 4 flowers. One, 2, 3, 4. Definitely 4 flowers. Hearts and Paisley coloring stencil. It goes with the Hearts and Paisley 3D embossing folder. Floral Radiance layering stencil. Oh, and another one. Stencil art white capped peonies. Oh, look at this lovely rose peony. I don't believe this goes with that. No, but this does. This does. And brush gold. And just a little fun thing here. Their summer catalog. In case you missed anything and want to go back and get it. Love that. That one. All right. Well, this might be for class coming up in January with Aditi. So, I'm looking forward to that. I think this goes this way. Now, my question is, do I start using the stuff now, or do I wait for the class? That's tough. Well, the gold paper I won't use, because I don't want to use that up if I'm needed in the class. And the card bases I won't use up, so I can use that for the class. So anything that's consumable, I suppose I could use these, because there's a ton of those in there. And I'll doubt I'll use them all before the class. And I might get this out. Oh, well, let's open it and look at it. Isn't that beautiful? Silicone mat. Let's see, does it say anything on it? 12 by 16 non-slip, heat resistant. So this is a good thing that you can use when you're doing any heat embossing. I'm not going to take this out yet because I already have one. It's not looking quite this white. I was watching a class by Aditi, or I think that's who it was by, and I said, I got the exclusive pink sticky mat. Well, you know, everybody's is going to get pink after a while. I think I got the exclusive pink one also. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was fun. Now I can't wait to get crafting. I've been doing a lot of these layering flower sets lately, and that's been fun. Let's see. I did this one. I did these recently. Love them. Bye-bye. Have a good day.